Today, we're building a swim pond, but not here. Here in Arizona. So yeah, I'm here in Arizona. I'm here with my buddy Ralph Biezad. He's actually worked with me on a couple projects, and we were in Colombia together here.
So we're a little behind.
Some of us have vlogs to do.
And some of us have to babysit.
Anyhow, Ralph gave me a call a couple weeks ago, maybe sometime in January, said he had a project going on, swim pond. I'm like, sounds cool, but when you're doing it, this is what, almost the first week of April, I'm like, we'll be busy, I won't be able to come. And then we got hit with snow after snow after snow. And I called up Ralph, I'm like, hey Ralph, you still need me out there? Because we got snow here, I can't do much in Jersey. And I wanted to come help out with this cool swim pond project. So what are we doing here, Ralph?
So we are doing a great big recreation pond. It started out 20 by 30 and day of the paint, and we're getting ready to get started. They said we want to go bigger. So increased in size, increase in filtration. So we're just having a great time making a bigger pond, and this is going to be a great experience.
So I just got here, you're on day 3.
Yes.
So they're on day 3. I wasn't here for the initial stuff, but here's the video from that. You've got rock in the pond, you've got the upflow system in the bottom of the pond. So now we're going to keep rocking in the inside of the pond today, and then get to the point where hopefully we're up at the top by the end of the day. Is that right?
So, yeah.
Cool. So we're going to show you guys step by step how we're building this swim pond. Should be a good time. So what's cool about this is Ralph brought in a bunch of people that are really good at building water features, not just me. So behind me I got Ed Ballou from Aquascape back there. Hi Ed.
Yeah, here we go.
He's kind of a big time guy, one of my mentors. Fantastic at building water features. Michelle off.
Hey Jack.
Michelle, you're from California?
Northern California, so we've got a landscape.
So I got Mark Hellman. Mark, you're from Utah.
Utah now.
All right, Utah.
Yeah.
How'd you wind up out here?
I saw Ralph doing this project, and I want to do one at my house, so I offered to bring myself and my 17-year-old son out here and help him build it.
Good stuff. Sean Frost.
What's going on, Big Daddy?
This guy was in Colombia with me. We worked on many projects together. He's an ace. He's up here running the machine, setting rocks. And his wife April's around here someplace. We'll go find her. And here is Sean's wife April, who's been on, I don't know, too many projects to count with us, and she's out here helping Ralph out as well. So we've got a pretty good team together. It should be interesting. We're gonna get a lot done. Check it out. So this is what it's like when you get a bunch of people on the job that really know what they're doing. A flurry of action. This pond is gonna go together very quickly. Let me show you what we're up to right now. You can see April's working on feeding off some rock for chinking. That's all smaller stuff. We've got buckets of gravel down there. Ed's over there setting rocks for the lower walls, along with Mark and his son AJ. Sean's in a precarious spot there with the excavator. Ed, that whole area where you're standing is all upflow, right?
We're gonna have strategic openings in the bottom because that fabric is gonna limit the amount of water flow coming up through. So we're gonna piece it together almost like a patio on the bottom to increase the circulation from the bottom to the top. And it's also a big sedimentation chamber on the bottom. So we're gonna pick up sediments in the bottom. We have a clean out at the far end, and then it's gonna raise all that stuff up through the bottom. So it turns the entire system over, increases dissolved oxygen and overall water quality.
Yeah, if you like scientific stuff, Ed's the guy. I'm already starting to experience what it's going to be like vlogging while trying to get a job done. It's difficult because I have to keep remembering to grab the camera, but over here behind me we got Ed Ballou. Ed, what are you working on?
We are working on a jumping rock. So this is gonna be our water levels down in here. We're trying to make a platform for the kids and the adults to jump in here and enjoy the pond.
So there's our jumping rock right there. Ed's setting a rock underneath to hold this edge of it.
Drop her down.
This comes down, so he's going to chink it in so it's nice and sturdy. So when you're on top of this rock, there's no chance of it moving. Ed, what's this rock weigh? About how much?
Oh gosh, 3,500, 4,000 pounds.
That's a big one there, right behind me. So I'm in the pond right now, and that's over my head. It's probably 7 feet high. It's gonna be cool. Over on this side, we're putting a set of stairs in so the family can egress out of the pond up to the top. That's like a little sitting rock right there. It's gonna have about 5 or 6 inches of water on top of it, so you'll be in the water. You have your feet on the stairs, just chilling right there. Over here, where the machine's sitting, That's gonna be our intake skimmer. So we'll have our pumps and everything situated back there. It's gonna be drawing the water this way. Any debris that falls on top will be pulled into a collection area there for removal. Ralph's up top here with the excavator. We got a big rock coming in now. April's got that strapped up. That rock is going right there. It'll be our last step. The rock is very large. We're gonna have to dig out, pull the liner back, dig this whole area out so we can fit this in here. It's gonna sink down. It'll be about that high above these rocks. But that's a good 3,000, 4,000 pound rock right there that we're slinging over the top now. All right, this is end of day 3 for these guys on this job. This is my first day here. You can see the bottom of the pond is pretty well rocked in. This is about 70 ton worth of stone. This is a staircase over here coming out, so this will be all underwater up to this point. There'll be water about that high, so they'll be able to sit on that nice seat rock, come down off the stairs into the pond, and then they're swimming. Got another little seat rock over here. There's a fish cave there. There's gonna be fish in this pond, and there's gonna be another fish cave over there. This is the clean out for the jet system down the bottom. So basically this whole area here is all aqua blocks. And what's gonna happen, it's gonna get a flagstone floor in it, and they're gonna be cutting holes in the fabric, which is gonna let the water get forced up into the water column and then into the intake, which is down there, and then it can get cycled to the wetland filter. So it was nice being able to work in some warm weather today. Getting out of the cold New Jersey weather was a treat. I had a lot of fun today. We worked hard. It was super dusty. We're going back to Ralph's now. We're gonna get cleaned up, have some dinner, relax for the night, and I gotta put this vlog together.